Good evening, everyone. I'm Ruchita, your host, and welcome to today's session of NutriLift 360. Today, we'll understand our body clock. What is circadian rhythm, and how does the timing of meals and sleep impact us? Why is hydration important? We've joined in to listen to experts who have walked the talk and can help us make the right choices. To start the session, it is my honor and privilege to invite Farooq Tarapur. He, ladies and gentlemen, is an Olympian, two-time world champion in sailing, and has had an active sporting career of 40 years. He's won innumerable awards, including the Chhatrapati Shivaji Award and the Arjuna Award. He's a flag bearer on this journey with the mission Har Ghar Healthy, Har Ghar Medicine Free. Let's welcome him onto this virtual state and pay keen attention to what he's got to share with us. Over to you, Farooq.
Thank you, Ruchita, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to this exciting Monday session. I just hope that you all had a early dinner and done at least a little bit of exercise. Even if you didn't go for a walk, at least you'd have done some circulation exercise. I'm going to just share a very recent story of just about, the last week. And why is this circadian rhythm so critical and so important? I was dealing with somebody who was, pretty old, 90 years, and his sugar levels were going up, not something dramatic, but at least, beyond the range, like 140 and all. And I was like continuously telling him that, why don't you, stop having this late night dinner and, finish off the dinner at 6:37. And the general answer was, oh, 6:37, unheard of, can't do it. My whole life I've been doing this, that, and all kinds of excuses. And I kept insisting, no, let's try it for 1 week, let's do it. And seriously, you won't believe it, that in just 2 days of having the dinner at 6:30 and 7 and keeping all other parameters constant. And that's how you really judge the value of, something that we are talking about, whether how critical or how important it is. And straight away, without any changes, the sugar levels were back to 85. And it was such an amazing feeling. He was feeling good. He was back to his, having his chocolate and enjoying his life and back to stuff. So, the simple things, a very, very simple thing, that if you have your breakfast early, do a little bit of exercise, hydrate well, right? You will really make a tremendous impact on your holistic health. Of course, there is a lot more to it. But even if you apply, take small baby steps and start moving towards good holistic program, make sure that you got enough fiber in your plate, make sure you got enough carrots, you got enough, beetroot, you got enough radish, cucumber. And these are just small things, getting up in the morning, having your, breakfast with enough quantity of protein in it, that will give you the right energy. And that will really save you, a lot of hassles later on in life. There are a lot of, WhatsApp messages running that senior citizens now will get free medical treatment, whatever, whether it is fake news, whether it's genuine news. What they fail to understand is that the treatment may be free, the treatment may be covered by insurance, but you still have to deal with the trauma. And your family, entire life of your family around you gets disrupted. So looking after your health should be your top priority, because health is your biggest asset. So listen today to Raj very carefully, because he's going to give you a lot of gyan on this subject. Okay, something that he has been on both sides of the scale, not having followed it and having followed it. So he is somebody who can really give you a good insight as to what will happen if you don't follow and what will happen if you do follow. So over to Raj.
Thank you, Farooq. Thank you very much. And good evening, everybody. And why circadian cycle and why it is important to have early dinner. Now, when I used to work, my regime used to be जब भी रात को घर आते थे भले 1 बजे आए 2 बजे आए, खाना खाते थे और फिर आराम से सो जाते थे। एंड दैट यूज टू बी, और मुझे ये समझ में आता था कि भाई ऐसे ही, दिस इज हाउ इट यूज टू बी। Just to add what Farooq said, even I had similar story. In the last 30 hours, I had four discussions or four cases that came to me. One was related to kidney. The creatine level is going high, and there is a kidney issue. The gentleman is 65 years old. The second issue is of another gentleman. He owns a school. His son and daughter-in-law both are doctors. Both are doctors, and the son is a MD medicine. The daughter-in-law is gynec. So that's the second case. The third case uh, is a lady from military operations, basically, and 30-year-old, absolutely fit, fine, and लेकिन और एक और ऐसे केस था, चार। नाउ पॉइंट मैं आपको क्या बता रहा हूँ, बताता हूँ अभी। नाउ द 65-year-old हैज अ इशू विद द किडनी, द 30-year-old गर्ल हैज अ इशू विद वेरी हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड HbA1c इज वेरी हाई। HbA1c इज वेरी हाई एंड हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल, एंड ये जिम भी जाती है, रनिंग करती है, एब्सोल्युटली बेस्ट ऑन फूड। जो डॉक्टर के फादर हैं, ही ओन्स अ स्कूल। अगर आप फूड, सिर्फ अगर मैं आपके सामने वो क्या क्या खाते हैं वो मेंशन करना शुरू कर दूं तो आप बोलोगे एकदम परफेक्ट है ये प्लेट। बट सब में एक कॉमन फैक्टर निकल के आई, सारे तीनों कोई ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करता है। जो 65-year-old है जिनका क्रिएटिन लेवल हाई है, वो ब्रेकफास्ट करते ही नहीं है। वो 1 बजे के करीब लंच करते हैं, 5 बजे के करीब थोड़ा बहुत कुछ खाते हैं, और रात को 11 साढ़े 11 बजे ही हैज हिज डिनर। The military operations girl, absolutely fit, goes to the gym, comes back from gym, she has her dinner at 10:30. And the third person, उनका भी सेम था कि ब्रेकफास्ट करते नहीं, और जो डिनर है वो रात को 9 साढ़े 9 के बीच में होती है। एंड आई वाज जस्ट स्माइलिंग कि देखो सेम चीज है, फरूक के भी पास सेम केस स्टडीज आए हैं। एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू नो, टुडे यू नेम any disease, any lifestyle challenge, and it all starts with a late night dinner and then no having breakfast in the morning. This is something that has become a routine now, and suddenly people are wondering that why my cholesterol levels is going high, or why there is a fatty liver issue that is coming up, or why my HbA1c is high. And agar aap ye sara cheez dekhoge, and this is what tonight we are going to cover, that why it is important to understand this, right? So yeah, so let's see that how we can benefit by this philosophy and how we can help many more people and families, because irrespective of age, background, Acha, irrespective of their age, background, and everything, this is the fact that is going today, right? So, circadian rhythm and importance of hydration is what we are going to discuss tonight. Do you know that when you eat matters the most in healthy weight? So, इसको सिर्फ weight पे मत देखिए, इसको fatty liver से associate कर दीजिए, इसको diabetes से associate कर दीजिए, इसको kidney related issues से associate कर दीजिए, इसको cholesterol से associate करिए. You can associate this with any of the lifestyle challenges that you see today. I mean, this is very, very relevant over there. We all know the saying, you are what you eat. But the latest research shows that when you eat may be as crucial as what you eat. Very, very important. Right? Very important. Now, मैं इसके डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा, बट व्हाट आई वांट टू शो यू इज दिस इज अ 24 आवर ग्राफ, आर्ली ग्राफ जो आप देख रहे हैं। एंड अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे, सो जो बॉडी है, बॉडी हैज टू परफॉर्म सर्टेन एक्टिविटीज एट अ सेट गिवन टाइम। इट हैज टू रिलीज सर्टेन हार्मोन्स, इट हैज टू गेट इनटू दैट एक्टिविटी जो बॉडी हमें डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज के लिए जिंदा रखती है, राइट? बी इट योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर, बी इट योर बॉडी ब्लड प्रेशर, बी इट योर muscle strength, cardiovascular efficiency, be it your reaction time, be it your coordination. Now, if you see everything, बॉडी का एक क्लॉक डिफाइंड है ये सब चीज़ों के लिए, सनराइज से सनसेट। मेनली इफ यू सी योर जो डाइजेशन सिस्टम है हमारा, दैट इज मोर ऑपरेशनल बिटवीन 6 AM to 6 PM। नाउ दैट्स हाउ यू वन नीड्स टू लुक एट इट। और जो बाकी टाइम आप देख रहे हैं, ये वो टाइम है जो आपके स्लीप में क्या क्या हार्मोन रिलीज होने हैं, क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज होनी है, ये सब डिफाइंड है। Now, God had created us like this, but because of internet, because of our working hours, because of late night studies, because of late night parties, because of late night snacking and eating, हमने ये सर्काडियन रिदम को डिस्टर्ब कर दिया है। और बिकॉज हमने इसको डिस्टर्ब कर दिया है, सो देर इज अ मिस अलाइंड परफॉर्मेंस इन द बॉडी। और जब ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है सो इसके कुछ तो इम्पैक्ट होंगे, और वो इम्पैक्ट को हम मेडिसिन के थ्रू सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करते हैं, या हम उसको क्योर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। बट अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू डोंट correct the root cause or the input parameter, there is no sense in working on the output parameter. Very simple. So you need to understand that why they are important. Like अगर आप देखिए तो like सुबह 8 a.m. पे, that's when like between 8 and 8:30 a.m. that's your bowel movement happens. अगर आप सुबह 7:30 देखेंगे तो melatonin secretion stops in the body. So आपका जो blood pressure है वो सबसे sharp something around 6:45 होता है, बशर्ते you follow all those stuff, right? इस तरीके से अगर आप देखेंगे, एंड अगर आप इधर देखो राइट अराउंड 10:30 योर बाउल मूवमेंट्स आर सप्रेस्ड. Now, what will happen if you start having a dinner at around 10:30? What will happen? What impact it is going to create on your liver? What impact it is going to create on your pancreas? आजकल मेरे घर में मेरा मजाक बनाया जाता है, मेरे एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में मेरा मजाक बनाया जाता है, ओ इसका पैनक्रियास का टाइम हो गया, अभी ये इसका पैनक्रियास. बट आई हैव स्टार्टेड रिस्पेक्टिंग माय पैनक्रियास मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, right? I mean, that's the biggest importance I've started giving, like after learning all these things. And the main objective is we all need to live a disease-free life. एंड जब तक आप वो कैसे होगा वो नहीं समझोगे, आप यही परेशान होते रहोगे आपके आपके ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स देख के कि वाई माई कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज सडनली हाई, और वाई माई HbA1c इज सडनली हाई, और वाई माई क्रेटिनिन लेवल इज गोइंग हाई, right? Why, despite me perfectly eating and not doing anything here, there, junk, but still my diabetes is just not coming under control? This is the root cause. Circadian rhythm and hormonal cycle, very, very important, right? Circadian rhythm is the form of time restricted feeding, TRF, in which a person eats food across a span of hours in the earlier part of the day. So अगर आप देखिए, so there is sunrise to sunset, and then there is sunset to sunrise. So mainly जो भी हमने खाना है, हमने sunrise to sunset के बीच में खाना, और sunset से next day morning तक वी नीड टू अवॉइड ईटिंग. नाउ अगर आप देखोगे तो ये वो अलग अलग चीज़ है जो बॉडी हैज़ टू रिलीज द हार्मोन, राइट? ये आपका जो आपका स्लीप साइकिल है ये उसको रेगुलेट करता है. फिब्रोब्लास्ट ग्रोथ फैक्टर 21 रेगुलेट्स द कार्ब एंड लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म, अडेप्ट्स टू स्टार्वेशन, राइट? अगर आप देखिए तो ये कब हो रहा है? ये रात में हो रहा है, ठीक है? ये अगर आप देखिए जो कॉर्टिसोल लेवल जो आपके 6 AM से शुरू होते हैं रिलीज होने, अगर आप देखिए तो इसका रोल क्या है? स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स, रेगुलेट्स बीपी, सप्रेसेस इन्फ्लेमेशन, इंक्रीसेस रेगुलेट्स ब्लड शुगर लेवल, कंट्रोल स्लीप वेक साइकिल, ठीक है? उसके बाद अगर आप देखिए ये आपका हंगर हार्मोन है. उसके बाद अगर आप देखिए तो ये रेगुलेट्स जो इंसुलिन है, दिस रेगुलेट्स द ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स, मूव्स ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम द ब्लड टू द सेल. उसका रोल, उसकी टाइमिंग देखिए, राइट? नाउ ये अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये क्या करता है? दिस प्रोटीन हार्मोन रेगुलेट्स द ग्लूकोज लेवल्स एंड ब्रेक डाउन फैटी एसिड्स. फैटी एसिड जब ब्रेक डाउन होगा तो वो आपके सेल्स में जाके स्टोर होता है, विच द बॉडी कंज्यूम्स फॉर एज अ फ्यूचर एनर्जी. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर इन द मूवमेंट ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम. Now, if you disturb this cycle, now imagine what impact it can create on your body, right? Now, leptin अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये what time it is releasing? It is releasing something around 4 p.m. and it is there till 2 a.m. in the morning. उसका रोल क्या है? It regulates hunger and food intake. Leptin high, feeling of satiety. नो इमेजिन करिए अगर ये हार्मोन ही नहीं रिलीज होगा टाइम पे तो आपको भूख लगेगी. और हार्मोन क्यों नहीं रिलीज हो रहा है? क्योंकि हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हमने क्रिएट कर दिया. हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हमने कैसे क्रिएट कर दिया? बिकॉज ऑफ अनहेल्दी गट के वजह से हमने हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस क्रिएट कर दिया. सो हाउ बॉडी कंट्रोल में कैसे आएगा? ये तो मतलब इट इज लाइक ऑल मशीन्स आर गोइंग इन देयर ओन डायरेक्शंस, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस. And hence, it is very important to understand that the way nature has designed us, and it is very important that as close as we stay close to the nature. Now, क्या होता है? There is something called aligned clocks versus misaligned clocks. Till couple of months ago, my son had this very clear theory कि दिन में 8 घंटा सोना है, 3 बार खाना है, और इतना पानी पीना है. तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है अगर हम उसको कितने क्या टाइम को इतना फिक्स करने की क्या जरूरत है? सोना है कभी भी सो लो, कभी भी उठ जाओ. खाना ही है तो कभी भी खा लो. That used to be like, we love to challenge and it's fine, fair. But now you need to understand that what is the difference when you have a aligned clock versus a misaligned clock. Now, फास्टिंग, फीडिंग, स्लीप, वेक, हार्मोनल लेवल, एवरीथिंग वर्सेस मिसअलाइन में क्या हो रहा है? डिप्रेशन, फैटी लिवर डिसीजेस, डायबिटीज, इन्फ्लेमेशन, ओबेसिटी, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिसीजेस. And the more I'm seeing this in the outside world with the people, with people who believe that they've got a right practices and they are following the right habits, still their blood report is not normal. When I'm comparing their lifestyle diseases to what has been taught over here, the answer is very evident and clear, right? And then the second question comes ki why our professionals don't talk about this. It is your health and you need to take charge of your health. आपको सोना कितने बजे है इसके लिए डोंट डिपेंड ऑन अ डॉक्टर और अ मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल दैट दे शुड कम एंड टेल यू. जो नेचर ने बनाया है, डोंट प्ले विद इट, अदरवाइज इट विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद यू. सो एम एट ईटिंग ड्यूरिंग डे लाइट टाइम, राइट? क्या फायदा होता है इससे? आवर बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ ईटिंग ड्यूरिंग द डे, राइट? क्यों? Our body is most sensitive to insulin, a hormone that moves glucose from your blood into most cells to be used as the fuel during the day. So obviously, if you eat during the day, आप बहुत बार ये लोगों को सुनोगे, there is this debate, should a diabetic patient be having fruit or no? The answer is absolutely they can have fruit. But at what time of the day are they having? That is very important to understand and know. Third point, our resistance to insulin, समझिए इस बात को. Our resistance to insulin is highest at night, which means at night insulin resist कर रहा है इसको. We are less active and our body thinks it should be resting. Now, what happens if you feed your body late night, something you are having a dinner at 10 o'clock in the night, at 9:30 at night, at 11:30 at night? I was surprised when I saw that 11:30 at night को भी लोग dinner कर रहे हैं, and then their all the health is going out of the control. So it is very important to understand this, right? As a result, the calories that we consume get deposited post evening as fat, abdominal fat, थाई एरिया फैट. और जब ये फैट बॉडी थक जाता है एब्डोमिनल और थाई एरिया में एक्यूमुलेट करते, द इजीएस्ट थिंग दैट द बॉडी डज इट स्टार्ट्स रिलीजिंग इन योर ब्लड स्ट्रीम, and suddenly you will find that why your cholesterol level is going high despite you feel you are doing everything perfect. Very, very important thing to understand over here. We should plan for a more viable option of eating during a 12-hour window each day. For example, anything between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's how we should plan. Now, what happens normally? We are having a breakfast something around 11, 11:30. And as a consequence of that, we are having a late night dinner. So, हमने वो cycle को ही upside down कर दिया. Never skip a breakfast. Simple. Break fast. You are breaking a fast after the sleep. When you get up in the morning, the body has already consumed the nutrition that the body had in the cellular repair. जो फ्री रेडिकल्स होते हैं उसके लिए जो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स बॉडी को चाहिए, जो प्रोड्यूस करता है फ्री रेडिकल डैमेज से हमको बचाने के लिए, ये सब रात को होता है. नॉर्मली इफ यू सी यू विल नेवर गेट कोल्ड और कफ ड्यूरिंग द डे, वेरी रेयरली. बट आप देखोगे, आप रात को सो के उठे, सुबह सुबह अगर आप देखोगे यू विल हैव अ रनिंग नोज और समथिंग लाइक दैट. द रीजन बिकॉज free radical damage hota hi hai when you are sleeping. And when you get up in the morning, the body needs nutrition to kickstart the day. And that is the time you should have a proper nutritious breakfast. What do you mean by nutritious breakfast? Your breakfast should have vitamin, it should have minerals, it should have protein, it should have omega-3 fatty acids. You should be hydrated well. For your gut health, do have a 30-minute before, eat some fruits. ये करना है सुबह सुबह. गिव utmost importance to the breakfast. But because of a profession, a very hectic lifestyle, especially if you are in a profession, something like a teacher, we tend to skip the breakfast. Recently I met a gentleman and he said कि मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट तो मेरे ऑफिस जाके होता है बिकॉज ऑफिस मेरे को देता है. तो मैं बोला आप ऑफिस कब पहुंचते हैं? बोलते मैं 10 बजे तक पहुंचता हूँ, देन आई गो फॉर माई ब्रेकफास्ट समथिंग अराउंड 10:30 11. आई सेड व्हाट टाइम यू गेट अप? He said I get up something around 5:30 in the morning. Now imagine the body is starving from 5 till 10:30 in the morning. What happens to your organs? So breakfast is very important. डोंट स्किप अ लंच बिकॉज हमारा जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है ये सनराइज से सनसेट तक जाता है. सो पीक आपका जो मेटाबॉलिज्म है वो सबसे अच्छा होता है समथिंग अराउंड 12 1 समथिंग लाइक दैट. दैट्स द पीक टाइम. सो नेवर हैव अ प्रॉपर लंच. इट शुड हैव लाइक, मैं आज उस डिटेल में नहीं जा रहा हूँ व्हाट वी शुड ईट, बट अगर इफ यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ द व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी यू विल सी दैट हाउ एक्सपर्ट्स आर एजुकेटिंग पीपल दैट आपका प्लेट कैसा दिखना चाहिए, उसमें क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लंच वी नीड टू हैव एंड गो फॉर अ वेरी लाइट डिनर एंड अर्ली डिनर. वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? Now, since our body is most insulin resistant at night, avoid carbs late night to prevent risk of both diabetes and heart diseases. Healthy adults who were allowed to eat right up until the bedtime had higher fasting blood sugar level and cholesterol levels than those who had a hard stop at 7 p.m. according to 2017 University of Pennsylvania study. Unusual eating time can produce a disruption in the circadian system that might lead to unhealthy consequences. Hence, watch what you eat, but never forget keep an eye on the clock too. Are you drinking enough? What? Water, H2O. Right? पानी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज दिस इज द सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप ब्रेन 73%, हार्ट वो दिख नहीं रहा मेरे को उधर, समथिंग 70+%, लंग्स 83%, किडनी 79%, मसल्स 79%, बोन 31%, स्किन 64%. Right? Now, amount of water in the various body parts. At birth, it's around 78%. 1 year के जब हम हो जाते हैं, it is around 65%. Adult woman 55%. Adult man 60%. मुझे नहीं पता था ये इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है पानी का. मुझे लगता था कि you need to drink water when you feel thirsty. Little I realized only after being a part of this community, I understood the importance that, if you drink water when you're thirsty, it is already too late. So, I mean, already late ho chuka hai. So water is very important. And one needs to understand that hydration is a very, very important thing. एंड इस पूरे प्रोग्राम में अगर आप देखोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं हम हाइड्रेशन पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे हैं. नाउ इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? बेसिकली आपके आईज, नोज और जो माउथ एरिया है उसको मॉइस्चराइज रखने के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये आपके बॉडी टेम्परेचर को रेगुलेट करता है. ये आपके ऑर्गन्स और टिश्यूज को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ये न्यूट्रिशन अब्जॉर्प्शन में बहुत हेल्पफुल है. ये कॉन्स्टिपेशन में प्रिवेंट करने में बहुत मदद करता है. आपके बाउल मूवमेंट्स में वाटर प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. Flushing out waste products, transporting oxygen to all parts of the body, lubrication of joints to help you move, and supporting cell growth and reproduction. So, if you see water, so between 50% and 80% of the human body is made out of water, and water has a very, very important role to play. Now, you know, in fact, there is a lot of theories जहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि people have cured themselves only basis on the when they focused on drinking water, और उसके basis पे क्या क्या positive impact उनके health पे आया है. Now your body relies on water for many functions. ये जो अभी हमने discuss किया, तो it is very important to understand the importance of water. नाउ आप ये देख रहे हो कि एक हाइड्रेटेड सेल है और एक डिहाइड्रेटेड सेल है. आप देख रहे हो कि जो प्रेशर है उसके ऊपर और जो उसकी हेल्थ है, आप देख रहे हो दोनों में. यू कैन क्लियरली मेक द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ हाइड्रेटेड सेल वर्सेस अ डिहाइड्रेटेड सेल. सो फॉर अ सेलुलर हेल्थ ऑल्सो वाटर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ डिहाइड्रेशन क्या है? नाउ बेसिकली डिहाइड्रेशन व्हेन वी डोंट गिव इंपॉर्टेंस टू वाटर एंड इफ वी फील दैट पानी हमको तब पीना चाहिए व्हेन वी फील थर्स्टी. नाउ इफ यू कम फ्रॉम दैट स्कूल ऑफ थॉट, dehydration can be caused by restriction of water intake or by excessive water loss from the body. A lot of people think that black coffee, uh, green tea and all is good. Any caffeine, it leaches water from your body and वो water retention को भी lower down करता है. तो आप देखेंगे कि बहुत फर्क पड़ता है कि despite अगर आप पानी पी रहे हो, but you are too much dependent on this caffeine drinks, आप देखेंगे it creates an impact and वो water को retain नहीं करने देता. If the water that has been lost from the body is not replaced, then a person can become dehydrated. This is not only results in adverse physical and mental performance, but can also increase the risk of injuries and affect health. So sometimes, if you are focusing on a weight loss program, it so happens that we get cravings, we get urge of eating. Sometimes it is salt craving, sometimes it is uh, sugar craving. And अक्सर लोग ये सवाल पूछते हैं. People ask this question that why it is so important. हम अपनी craving को नहीं control कर पा रहे. And in most of the time it is not the craving, it is actually that thirst. But हम उसको misinterpret कर लेते हैं thirst को craving के साथ. And hence we end up eating more or munching more compared to having a glass of water. So next time if you feel that आपकी craving हो रही है या urge हो रहा है कुछ sweet या salt खाने का, that midnight snacking what we call, just go and have 2 glasses of water. And you will see that completely आपका एक अलग ही everything will be under control. So there is this confusion, and this confusion can only be taken care if you drink enough water. So yeah. So tips to avoid this confusion, like what is this confusion? Is it thirst or hunger? Drink water first. If you feel hungry, drink a glass of water again and wait for 15-20 minutes. Very simple tip. मेरे लिए ये बहुत फायदेमंद हुआ था because I had this munching का craving बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब ये snacking, munching, and now since I've started, I'm in this practice कि जब भी कुछ मन कर, in fact today afternoon only I was invited for a lunch, एंड वहाँ पे जलेबी रखी थी, वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ रखा था। तो सबसे पहले मैंने, बिफोर द फूड आई हैड टू छोटा बॉटल ऑफ वाटर, आफ्टर दैट आई हैड सम सैलड्स, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेरी वो अर्ज ही नहीं हुई टू हैव दैट स्वीट। एंड आई हैड अ स्वीट टूथ राइट फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड, एंड आई कुड ईजिली 3-4 स्वीट्स तो मैं इसी एक बार में खा सकता था, बट वो अर्ज नहीं हुई। if you follow the right habits and the right practices, that is more important to understand. Regular hydrated hydration, keep a water bottle with you and sip through the day. Trust me, this carrying this water bottle was just by habit. कोई इधर फ्लॉन्ट करने के लिए कोई उसके इंटेंशन से नहीं था. It has just become a part of my habit now. And my son, who is now turning 18, what I see is even he has started adapting. When he is seeing parents picking up all these habits, even he has started adapting to these right habits now. So sometimes, children look at you, they watch you, and that's the right way of creating the healthy habits in the family. Mindful eating, pay attention to your body's signals and eat when you are truly hungry. Monitor urine color, ensure you are hydrated by checking that your urine is light yellow. Very important. How much water one need should drink? Average बोला जाता है 2 से 3 लीटर, right? एक रफ जो दिया गया, that is 8 to 12 glasses of water is suggested per day. But to be specific, adult man, 32 to 58 ml per kg of your body weight, body mass, and for an adult woman, it is 25 to 52 ml per kg body mass. Start tracking your water, eat your water. Now very very important. कई बार मैंने ऐसे देखा है, मेरी भी थोड़ी बहुत ये हैबिट थी, ग्लास आया खटाक एक शॉट में पानी खत्म. नाउ दैट्स नॉट हाउ यू कीप योर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड. आई मीन सिर्फ ये क्वांटिटी नहीं पूरी करनी है, बिकॉज आप एक साथ दोगे वो एक साथ चला भी जाएगा, मतलब बॉडी कैन नॉट होल्ड. द राइट वे इज टू ईट योर वाटर, मतलब हैव इट सिप बाय सिप. I mean, the way some people drink a wine, मतलब वो धीरे धीरे वाइन को पीते रहते हैं. That's the way you should actually drink your water. Keep a water bottle handy. Take sips versus chugging. Include more of water-loaded fruits and vegetables. Very important to know. This is the color of the urine color. अगर आप वो red line से नीचे है, if the color, definitely you are I mean you need to focus on drinking more water. And अगर वो 1 or 2 है तो it is okay. 3 पे still you need to add some more water. Hydration के कुछ और भी तरीके हैं, unhealthy option versus healthy alternatives. I don't know why. I don't know. I mean आप ये chat box में लिख सकते हो. दिल्ली में मैंने खास करके देखा है, अगर आपके भी शहर में ऐसा होता है तो जरूर लिखना, और अगर आपके भी ऑफिस कम्युनिटी फ्रेंड फैमिली में होता है तो डेफिनेटली चैट बॉक्स में लिखिएगा भी. आई सी पीपल व्हेन दे ऑर्डर फूड और दे आर हैविंग देयर फूड. दिल्ली में बहुत कल्चर है, एक कैंपा दे दो साथ में. कैंपा मतलब दैट्स द कोल्ड ड्रिंक जो भी हो उसका नाम कैंपा है. और कई बार मैं पूछता हूँ कि व्हाई डू यू ऐड दिस, तो बोलता है भाई साहब ये ना ग्रीस को काटता है, ऐसे जो आप खाना खा रहे हो, और डाइजेशन करने में बहुत मदद करता है. सो दे विल हैव दैट कोला विद दैट. सो या डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट गुड, ट्रस्ट मी. आई मीन उस पर मैं भी नहीं जा रहा हूँ, बट सिंपल इट इज नॉट गुड. एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स, आर्टिफिशियल जूसेस, इसमें जो प्रिजर्वेटिव ऐड की जाती है, इसमें जो शेल्फ लाइफ एक्सपैंड करने के लिए जो चीज़ें ऐड की जाती है, इसमें जो फ्लेवर्स जो ऐड किए जाते हैं, इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर आवर लिवर एंड आवर पैनक्रियाज एंड आवर हेल्थ. Avoid them. Alcohol, definitely, no. I mean, one of the guy just quit the group, and the reason he quit the group, यार आप शराब को ना कैसे बोल सकते हो? अगर शराब ही नहीं रहेगा तो फन क्या रहेगा लाइफ में? Now the question you need to ask is your health important or that fun important? I think even the people who don't drink, even they have fun in their life, and they have pretty good fun they have, like, right? So sugary drinks again, and इनमें कुछ ऐसे भी चीज डाली जाती है जो रिपीट क्रेविंग की अर्ज को इंक्रीज करता है. Now imagine the intention of the brands which are making this, versus you can have some healthier alternatives like water infused water, coconut water, healthy veggie juice, or healthy fruit juice. That can be some of the right alternatives that you can decide for yourself. Hydration and hormonal balance is detoxification, right? Hormonal balance and detoxification. Now, uh, there is a big correlation between this. आपके जो hormones हैं in the water है, uh, uh, which are closely linked to the circadian rhythms, particularly the morning release of the hormones such as cortisol. So अगर आप देखेंगे तो it is like body के function में they play a very very important role. Hydration and sleep quality also plays a very important role. The if you want to have a sound sleep. Now, a study by Benton and Young, 2015, investigated the impact of hydration on the mood and the cognitive function. They found that even the mild dehydration could negatively affect sleep quality and subsequent daytime alertness, indicating the role of hydration in maintaining the circadian rhythms. Very, very important to understand. Water is critical nutrient that supports many physiological processes, including digestion, body temperature, uh, transport of oxygen, nutrient, wastes, physical and cognitive functioning, and sleep. So water plays a very, very important in all those stuff, right? So five takeaways, right? Start your day with water. Maintain regular intake of water throughout the day. Timing before meal within 1 hour, like uske pehle jarur pijiye. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohols. And you need to drink your water as if you're eating your water. Slowly, sip by sip. So shine, as we say, that what you learn through this program is what adds value to your life, and that what helps you to shine every day. Trust me. The more I'm studying all these things, and the more we are learning through this program from our various speakers and all the speakers that you see over here, ये सिर्फ speakers नहीं है, they've gone through, they've been it, they've done it, 4 5 years or probably more, and they are our experts. They are certified nutritionists, and they are who are talking over here. And the more you see this, the more you will understand that how we can help the community around us. In the last 30 years, I've met 5 people, and just by making these small corrections, if we can add some healthy days to their life, why not? Abhi, just before starting onto this program, I was having this conversation with a gentleman, and he said कि भाई मेरे को I'm 35 years old and I want to live healthy and I want to live long. What are those parameters? And I said the best part about this program is, तो उसने मेरे को ये सवाल पूछा कि are you going to recommend some diet and all to me? I said no, we are not going to recommend you any diet program. What you will learn are the right habits जो कहीं ना कहीं हम भूल गए हैं. It was there in our tradition, it was there in our culture, it was followed very well by our grandparents and all, but kahin na kahin hum usko bhool gaye hain, and that is what is now the time of to remind it, because of the stress factors that has gone so high, because of the pollution in the food that has gone so high, because already hum ye sab se kar rahe hain ki we are more prone towards this lifestyle disorders. At least ye wo element hai jo support karta hai ki we can live a healthy life. Have a clear intention, visualize and set clear intention. I think Farooq ka jo mantra hai, har ghar tandurust, har ghar medicine free, that's like a good mantra. I mean, who would not love to live long and love to live a medicine free life? As Farooq rightly said कि free हो रहा है senior citizen के लिए, नहीं हो रहा है, those medicine, they have a huge side effects in the body. Why to go for medicine? I hope you learned something new today. And very important, exercise every day and exercise daily, because सब कुछ कर लीजिए, उसके बिना कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So yeah, thank you. I hope you learned, you picked up something really relevant and important today. And thank you very much. Do join us for the Friday session, because आप देखेंगे another very very vital and important topic getting covered over there. So thank you very much. Over to Ruchita.
Thank you so much, Raj. And that was amazingly explained. I think it's very, very clear what is the importance of following the right circadian rhythm to benefit out of it. With that, if anybody has any questions, they may please unmute themselves. I see not. All right. Thanks, everyone. Like Raj said, let's make sure we attend the next session. It is going to be an interesting one. Till then, good night, stay safe, and have a great day. See you.